Hello, hello, and welcome to day 4 of the Attracting Your Dream Job or Work 15-day intensive workshop. So, today to start, again, go down to the description and there are a couple of YouTubes for you to watch, and when you're finished, come back here. The second thing you're going to do today is your affirmations. Now, you know it's 50 and you should have your own list now. So at however you want to break it up during the day, just make sure that you say affirmations 50 times, okay? Number 3, you're going to write your work paragraph and scene, and you're going to write it as, I'm happy and grateful now that. Now you can create different scenarios every day about what you're doing, about what happened at work, what happened with a colleague, what happened with a pay rise, what happened with you only have to work 3 days a week or 4, whatever it is that you are given the conditions that you really, really want. So keep adding, and each time you write it, after 15 days, you're going to have a really nice little list of things to read that are living from the end experiences. Okay? Now, we're going to do the meditation together now, and close your eyes and get really comfortable. And let everything go. Everything you have to do, anywhere you have to go, anyone you have to do stuff for, kids, animals, parents, grandparents, friends, family, anyone, let it all go. Just for now, it's your time to focus on your beautiful dream job or work, whether it's at a specific place that you have in mind, or you have no idea where you want to work, you just know the conditions and the things you'd love to be doing. Now we're going to start with the breath. 6 in for 4 and out for 4. And breathe in for 4 and breathe out for 4. And breathe in for 4 and breathe out for 4 and breathe in for 4 and breathe out for 4 and breathe in for 4 and breathe out for 4. And breathe in for 4 and exhale for 4. And last one with a hold. Breathe in for 4. Hold the breath for 4 and breathe out for 4. Now today, in your mind's eye, I'd like you to imagine hearing the words, we'd like to give you a bonus. We'd like to give you a bonus. We'd like to give you a bonus because you've done an incredible job, above and beyond what we thought. And we would like you to be rewarded for your efforts, and we would like to give you a bonus. And breathe in for 4, take it in, that beautiful information, and breathe out for 4. And breathe in for 4 and breathe out for 4. And I want you to, just for a little bit of time, just sit in that appreciation that people see your skills, that they know how talented you are, they see how much value you bring to this place. And they are people that see things, people that aren't just after $1, people that reward their staff, people that look after their employees, And if you are with clients only and you are not working with anyone or any organization or workplace, you work for you, see your clients doing the same thing. We'd like to give you extra bonus because of how much you give to us. So I'm going to go into the silence for a couple of minutes, and I want you to just feel the feelings of appreciation, of feeling appreciated, of feeling loved, and really, really acknowledged for what you do. So you can do that now. And breathe in for 4. And breathe out for 4. All that beautiful appreciation, being acknowledged, being in a place where you feel valued, where you feel that you're working enough, you're not overworked, and you are truly, truly held in a beautiful light, in high regard by those people around you. Now, just let that scene in your mind's eye fade back. Know you can come back to it anytime you like. It is a wonderful feeling, so take that with you today, because that's the nugget and the important thing that comes out of this meditation, is the feeling of feeling appreciated, is the feeling of feeling valued at work, that you matter, that you're important, and that you really are an incredible member of this team if you're working with others, and if you're working alone, that your clients and customers really value you and what you give. So in your mind's eye now, just let this fade away, and I want you to just repeat these couple of affirmations before we end the meditation. I am valued for my skills. I am valued for my skills. I feel really appreciated at work. I feel really appreciated at work. I am so happy to be here. I am so happy to be here. I love my workspace. I love my workspace. My job and work reflect my self-love. My job and work reflect my self-love. Breathe it in and out. And now I'm going to slowly count you out of the meditation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lovely. Now, for your 5th thing today, remember to keep reading or not reading, audio listening to Wallace Wattles' book, The Science of Getting Rich. And I will see you tomorrow in day number 5.